What's something people don't know about contagious yawning in dogs? Stick around to find out. So, do dogs really catch human yawns, Ning? No, it's not a simple yes or no. A cool study found that young pups don't yawn when humans do. But by 7 months old, they start to join the yawn party. Surprisingly, it doesn't matter how close you are to your dog. It's all about their age, not your bond. Just like us, dogs get better at catching yawns as they grow. Some studies say dogs don't catch yawns at all. But who knows? Science is always learning new tricks. Curious about dog behavior? Check out Pawltu.com for more fun facts.